get better as far as the flooding goes. Been a long morning, a lot of work. Some downtime in between. I'm gonna check out some new things on this episode for Bruiser and Brody. Some parts they're gonna need for Bruiser and Brody. We're looking at a speaker system, probably both of them a speaker system, but more so Brody than Bruiser right now. I think I can wait. I'm gonna check out a few places on the south side and on the north side of town, compare some pricing, see the best deal I can get for my buck along. I still want some good performance though. I don't want to just put anything in the vehicles. So we're gonna check them out. We're gonna get them done. You guys gonna be along for the ride today, and I got like 2 more work stops, so you're gonna be along for that too. This is TruxxUnited, man. Welcome back. Appreciate you. Let's go. Like when I'm going to some of these places, they overprice a lot. I understand everybody's got to make their money, but man, beware. Sometimes you go to some of these places and they have, if you know anything about speakers, amps, labor, when it comes to that, you go in there and guys, be careful, man, because I know everybody wants to make their money, but when you got guys that are just like seriously, ridiculously overpriced, you probably want to look around, bro, before you go just. And then you want to look at the quality of stuff that you're putting in your vehicle, whether it be a car, truck, whatever the case may be, because sometimes they will try to play on you. Try when you go in there, and I know some people are going to get mad that I say this, but when you go in there sometimes and you say, man, that's too much, I guarantee you all of a sudden the price will come down. All of a sudden they got some other stuff they want you to look at. Now, they may not want to sell you that particular speaker or that amp for the price that you're looking to spend. Now, you're going to spend some money. So hey guys, today I'm gonna man, whew, been a long morning. Anyway, so today I'm looking at some speakers for both Bruiser and Brody. I've been saying for the longest I was gonna get them some new speakers. A couple places I'm gonna check out today. Some on the north side, some on the south side. We're gonna do some moving around today in the midst of some work breaks here and there. So just ride with me today. We're gonna take a few things, look at some new things, look at some old things. You're on TruxxUnited. Let's go. Let's just throw that out the window that you're not going to spend no money. You're going to spend some money. So what you need to do is you need to have a price range you're willing to go. You might have a layer to where you want to be like, I'm willing to go this far or that far over. But don't just be like, you know, hey, I'm only going to spend $200. Man, it's not $19.99, bro. You want to get you a good speaker system for your vehicle, your truck especially. You're going to spend some money. So let's just get that out your mind. You're going to spend some money. Like when I had a car, I dig this whole setup. I never had a setup like this before. This is clean as hell. Ain't gonna look good on Brody, but it's clean. So I stay busy a lot of the time. Been real busy the last 2 days. My business is up and down, but I mean, make pretty decent living. So just let you travel with me today and let's see a little bit of our getting done. Not much going on with the trucks. It's a lot of work today, so I'm already like halfway through the day. I figure I vlog just a little bit. I get a little bit in today so you can see a little bit of what I do. And let's go. On the way to Katy right now. Let's get it.
Hi, I'm Simone Biles. Mask up like a champ to protect yourself and everyone else.
As we reopen our city, it's important that we do it safely. Continue to wear your mask in public.
Wear it like a champ.
Mask up, Houston.